Good morning, my dear students. I hope you all are fine. Open your computer book, page number 9. In previous video, I have explained there are 5 generation languages and I have told you about first generation language and second generation language in previous video. Now I will tell you in this video about third generation language, fourth generation language and fifth generation language. But before that, I will give you a recap of first generation and second generation language. In first generation language, we use machine language, that is binary numbers, that we can write the program by using 0 and 1 only. That is called machine language. It is very difficult to debug. It is very difficult to write the program. So in second generation language, their assembly language will come. In assembly language, there are mnemonics code, that is English words, that is very easy to write and very easy to debug. So now we will understand about third generation language. What is third generation programming language? In third generation languages, there is a programming languages will come that are called high level languages. Let's read. The limitations of machine language and assembly language led programmers to develop a language which is machine independent. In the previous video, I have already explained that first generation language and second generation language both are machine dependent. Means wherever you will do work, wherever you are making the code, only in that machine it can work. It can't work to the another machine. So that is machine dependent. So in this language, in third generation language, all programs are machine independent. Means we can run any program that is written in third generation languages to the another machine also. So resembles English or any other spoken language and includes familiar mathematical symbols. It is made with English words and mathematical symbols. These languages are known as third generation languages or high level languages. So third generation languages are very easy to write because there are the English words and mathematical symbols are there and very easy to debug also. These languages are called high level languages and it is machine independent. So the instructions written in high level languages are easy to understand and write. Some examples of high level languages are Fortran, COBOL, BASIC, Pascal, C, C++, Java. These are the high level languages that is in the third generation languages and so on. So you already know about these languages. You already read C, C++, Java. You have listened these languages also and these are called high level languages. These are very easy to write because there is a English words and mathematical symbols. A computer does not understand any language other than machine language. So it needs a translator which converts assembly language and high level language program into machine language. You will study about different types of translator later in this chapter. I have told you that machine can understand only machine language. A computer can understand only machine language. That is the first generation language. So whenever you are writing the code in with assembly language or with high level language, you need to convert it in machine language so that machine can understand. So because for converting the machine we need translators, because if you want to convert the any language into the machine language, then we need translator. That I will discuss you afterwards. Now features of high level languages. What are the features of high level languages? It is user friendly, means these are written very easily. We can write the program very easily. That's why it is called user friendly. It uses English words and mathematical operators which make it easy to understand. It is not dependent on machine. It is not dependent on machine. So this is third generation language. Now we will do fourth generation programming language. I hope you have understood third generation language programs. Fourth generation languages. The fourth generation languages were developed to get closer to human language in terms of thinking and conceptualization than any previous generation languages. It is independent of operating system. Examples of fourth generation languages are SQL, Focus, Metafont, PostScript, Wave, Guess, Python, and so on. These are examples of fourth generation languages. Fourth generation languages is also independent of operating system. Means fourth generation language program we can run on any operating system. It is not a machine dependent. Okay. So what is the feature of fourth generation languages? It is more programmer friendly and versatile because it is very easy to write, so it is a programmer friendly. It requires minimum effort from the user. So because of easiness, because of simple language we are using, so we require minimum efforts. It enhances programming efficiency with the uses of English-like words and phrases, icons, graphical interface and symbolic representation. In this language, in fourth generation language, we are using English words, phrases, some graphical interface, some icons are there, symbolic representation. Because of this thing, it is very easy to write. It possesses high speed of execution as compared to the languages of previous generation. Execution is in high speed execution is there. The fourth generation languages are designed to reduce the overall time, effort and cost that is incurred during the development of any software. So this is the features of fourth generation languages. It is very easy. It required minimum effort, programmer friendly. So it enhances the programming efficiency because of graphical interface. High speed execution is there and reduce the time, effort and cost. I hope you have understood about fourth generation languages. Now we will do fifth generation programming language. Nowadays the languages are working. That is fifth generation languages. Okay. Fifth generation languages are used in artificial intelligence. It is used in artificial intelligence research. Its primary goal is to eliminate the need of implementing an algorithm to solve a problem. What is artificial intelligence? Means you know about robotics. Robotics can feel, they can think like a human being, behave like a human being. That is called artificial intelligence. Nowadays artificial intelligence is going on. So primary goal to eliminate the need of implementing an algorithm to solve a problem. It means that unlike the earlier generation of programming languages which were designed to build specific program, the fifth generation languages are designed to make the computer solve a given problem on its own without any interference of the programmer. Its ultimate aim is to make the computers behave, think and react as a human being. So this is the feature of fifth generation language. It works on the artificial intelligence. Once a programmer dictates how the solution should appear by logically specifying constraints and conditions, the computer is then free to search for a suitable solution. A considerable research has gone into the development of fifth generation language in the 1980s and 1990s. Fifth generation programming languages are still in the development phase. It is believed that the fifth generation languages lead the future. Some example of fifth generation languages are Prolog, OPS5 and Mercury. These are example of fifth generation language. Prolog, OPS5 and Mercury. So basically fifth generation languages are used to like a human being. They can think, they can behave, the computers can behave, think, they can react as a human being and they can do work their own. Means they are free to get solution, they are free to get the condition. Programmer will give the condition. According to that condition, the computers are free for the solution. They will get their solution themselves. So this is fifth generation languages. I hope you have understood all types of languages: first generation, second generation, third generation, fourth and fifth generation languages.